Hey guys.
Hey, it's Lisa
And Cristal.
from Science-Based Wellness.
Yeah.
Happy Monday.
Yeah. I don't know. It feels good to be a Monday.
It does. It was a great weekend and
Yeah.
it's a great Monday.
It is.
But we just wanted to come on and talk to you a little bit about. We've had so much buzz about our detox program.
Yes, we have.
First we brought
Good
it in
buzz.
the office. Yeah, good buzz. And then last Monday we had a detox night at
Our
Nona
event.
Blue.
Yeah.
And we had several people start doing it after that night.
They
And
did.
we have had so many good things heard today from people that did this last week.
The phone keeps ringing and
Yeah,
people come in.
Our patients are coming in.
Yeah.
It's great to see all these happy, bubbly, glowing faces and say good things about what we're doing here.
They are.
Mm-hmm. So we just kind of wanted to come out and say that it's not easy, right? I mean, it's not hard, but it's not easy. And the people that are doing this are they're reaping great benefits. Like I just wrote down 4 of the people that we talked to today. And Lord knows we've had probably 20 of these kits go out in the last week or so. But Greg, who's 55, he lost 15 pounds and he's never felt better in his whole life, he tells us. And then Leslie, last week she told us she had lost 4 pounds in 1 inch. She's tiny, teeny anyway. And she's happy about that.
And not that weight loss is the major goal, but it is a side effect, and I'm all for that kind of side effect.
I'm liking that side effect.
Yeah.
So,
oh yeah, and then Lise
came in this morning, and she absolutely was thrilled because she never felt better.
Did you see how she walked in the door?
She was just bouncing in.
Hi,
yeah,
and
she couldn't wait to tell us how great she felt.
Yeah,
so she had already lost 5 pounds today. We see that women lose less than men, obviously, but it depends on how well you follow it as well. And then Laura lost 10 pounds. So this is just a few of the people that we heard about today. But we have a great system, and we kind of wanted to go over it with you a little bit because
it's all right.
Yeah. So this is how it works. You start out, you go home with your kit, and hopefully you're not going to have any coffee or alcohol for 7 days. I know it's hard.
Yes.
I know it's hard, but if you do, you won't feel well. That's a good deterrent right there.
Right.
I substituted green tea. I had some green tea. Not
instead
a lot
of your coffee.
Instead of my morning coffee that I have to have. But it's not so bad.
Okay.
You kind of wean yourself off. If you know you're going to do a detox with us, maybe wean yourself off a week, of less and less and less. So for 7 days you can do it. Alcohol
with
is
fewer
a
side effects. Yeah.
You don't want to do alcohol because you're just going to feel terrible.
Well, I mean, you think of how long you've been having coffee every day. Of course, when you don't.
And did you know, so we learned a lot when we went to the event because we got to hear from not only the doctor but the rep.
Juliet.
Yeah, Juliet. And she was saying that caffeine, and the doctor as well solidified this, is the first thing that hits your liver. So makes your liver start working really hard right away in the morning, which, sorry, but my liver's going to have to work and I want to keep it clean. So the Core Restore powder is the thing that we're mostly going to be talking about. So you're going to go home for 2 days and fast. You're not going to take any other supplements at all.
You keep taking if you're on any prescription meds, you stay on those.
Right, those have to be.
Yeah.
But you take the shake, either 2 scoops in the morning and 2 scoops at night, or 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't do my fingers. I'm looking at
4 1 scoops.
4 1 scoops during the day. And then, so I did it that way because I felt that I wouldn't be as hungry. But really, the shakes are very filling. And then they also come with a couple boxes of supplements that you do take.
That's not the supplements.
That's the mixer. Show her that mixer.
Oh, this is my favorite part of the kit that comes in there. Okay, so when you're doing these first 2 days with your shakes, you grab, we come to work, we don't have time to do it before, so we get a little cup.
Yeah.
Yeah. We scoop in.
Just shake it up.
The powder, and look at this. It's the cutest
very
thing.
Fun.
It's a little
mixer.
hand mixer.
You can mix anything. It comes with all kinds of attachments too.
Yeah.
So you can whisk, you can mix.
So you get a free toy.
You get a free toy and you get to keep it forever.
Yeah.
But you'll be taking these 2 supplements with your detox.
And one of them's multiple, just helps you keep your nutrients, and the other one is
actually that works with your liver detoxifying.
Okay. All right.
So that's about it. And then, you know, you get this great book. Like, I've never seen a detox, and I've done a few of them in my lifetime. You know, you can do them with food or you can do them with other kits. And this one we found was the most easily done for people and understandable, because
Right. They hold your hand really with this book.
they do. So you go with a checklist for what you do to start, and they give you a checklist every day of the foods you can eat. They give you a grocery store list, because on the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th days, you get to add food. So you get to add berries to your smoothies in the morning, which make them so good. And chocolate is the fave around here. We like chocolate.
Yeah, and they give you lists on things that you can add in and things that you should avoid putting in there.
And some of these recipes, I had a patient today say she is using these recipes all the time. So they are protein-packed recipes. They're great, easily digestible recipes. They're good for anybody. Anybody can do this detox, except if you're pregnant or nursing. We don't recommend it.
Right.
But and if you're a child, we've had children do it. We've had
young teens.
Yes, and they came out fine, but of course they're supervised with their parents, and you probably add a little more food to their diet than what you would if you're an adult.
And what about diabetics?
Diabetics, they say, we've had a couple of them come back and their blood sugars are finally even. So it's amazing all the toxicity in our bodies and the burdens that we carry don't process the sugars very well if we're clogged up with all these things. So you get a great book, this handy little mixer, and your guide and your powders and your vitamins, and it's something that everybody should do.
7 days.
7 days.
But you do it right, and then you'll reap the benefits. You know, just try it. It's going to be hard, but anything good is worth the effort you have to put into it.
Totally worth the effort.
Yes.
So we're just here to explain things a little better and to let you know all the great results we're getting from it. And I think this is the last couple days is our sale anyway on the 15% off. So it's a great time to stock up. Some of our patients came back and said they want to do it again in another few months. We recommend maybe twice a year to detox. But if you've got a lot of like chemical buildup, you know, you worked around a power plant or you work with chemicals, beauty industry people like myself, paints, anything in the air you breathe is pretty much toxic.
And those are just the obvious ones, because there's a lot out there.
There is. So we just wanted to give you a quick rundown of all the progress that we're seeing, and we hope to see you, and we hope that you get your detox on. So peace out and have a great day.
Have a great week. Bye.